Hello guys, today we are proceeding with the question number 14.4 of oscillation chapter exercise. What the question states? It states that we are provided with some functions which are varying with time and we had to tell are these functions periodic, non-periodic or showing simple harmonic motion. So first of all, we should be aware what the periodic motion is, what the non-periodic motion is, and what is simple harmonic motion. So the periodic motion is, as it is stated earlier, the periodic motion is which repeats its motion after a certain interval of time or a fixed interval of time, that will be called periodic motions. And the simple harmonic motion, the to and fro motions, to and fro means आगे पीछे, to and fro motions along the mean position, and which repeat its motion also after a fixed interval of time, that will be simple harmonic motion. And how we will represent it numerically or mathematically, that a function which is varying with time, and we can represent that function in the form of, here it is cos omega t or sin omega t, anything. So a function which is varying with time and that is sinusoidal, means our displacement is varying sinusoidal with respect to time, that function will be simple harmonic motion. So we had to find out how many functions which are given here in the options are following this condition. So let's proceed with the first part. What is the first part? Our first part is A, that is sin omega t minus cos omega t. These are two separate identities. We need to collect those so that we can tell whether these are simple harmonic motion or not. So simple harmonic motions, the function should be varying with cos omega t plus 5 or sin omega t plus 5. These should be in this form as I have told. So to collect it, first of all, multiply it with root 2 and divide it with root 2. 1 by root 2 sin omega t minus 1 by root 2 cos omega t. We are dealing with the first function. Now root 2, we can write it cos pi by 4 sin omega t minus sin pi by 4 into sin omega t. So what, on which function we have arrived? We have arrived cos a sin b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Here it will be cos pi by 4 will also be 1 by root 2. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, it will be equal to sin a minus b. So it will be equal to root 2 sin a is omega t minus b is pi by 4. So it is our functions in the collective form, it is varying with respect, it is a function of sin theta, sin omega t minus 5 by 5. So this is simple harmonic motion as well as periodic motion. So this is the necessary form of mathematical form of simple harmonic motion, means a function which is varying with respect to time and it is varying sinusoidally in the form of sin theta and cos theta. Now let's move with the second option. What is the second option? Here it is B, sin cube omega t. First of all, let's solve it. We have formula of sin 3 theta, okay, which is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. If we arrange this, we need this, so we have to arrange it. Take this this side theta minus sine 3 theta. Take this 4 that side, it will be equal to 1 by 4 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Now write this function sine cube omega t in this form and we will be near to our answer. Okay, it will be 1 by 4 3 sine omega t minus sine 3 omega t. What is the problem here? We have end up with two separate entities, and these two separate entities separately both of them are showing simple harmonic motion, but collectively the composition of two simple harmonic motion will be only periodic motion. This is separately showing simple harmonic motion as well as this is also showing simple harmonic motion. And what will be the time period of it? The time period of first entity will be 2 pi by omega. As I have told, to find the time period we need to make here 2 pi, because the sine and cos function repeat itself after 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi interval. So where we are taken 2 pi interval, and here the time period will be for this entity, it will be 2 pi by 3 omega. Okay, t1 equal to 1 by 3 t2. Okay, so the time period of first entity will be 2 pi by omega. For the second entity it will be 2 pi by 3 omega. So it is a only periodic function, not the simple harmonic motion. So what is the time period of this complete function, or we consider sine cube omega t? So first function is repeating itself after a time period of 2 pi by omega, and this function is repeating itself 2 pi by 3 omega, which is less than t1 function, also a t1 time period. So it is 3 time of this. So when it will be 3 time, both of them will repeat the motion, okay, after a certain period, and the period is t1 2 pi by omega. When it will be 3 time, the three oscillations of will have same time period with it. So as a combine, the time period of both will be 2 pi by omega. Both of the function will repeat itself after a common time period, that is 2 pi by omega. Let's proceed with the third part. Third part is 3 cos pi by 4 minus 2 omega t. We are well aware that cos minus theta equals to cos theta. So take minus side inside, we will end with 3 cos 2 omega t minus pi by 4. So is this a is this showing simple harmonic motion? Yes, it is a function of cosine which is varying with time. So this is the mathematical expression to show a simple harmonic motion. So this will be showing simple harmonic motion as well as periodic motion. So now we will move to the D part. D part is somewhat similar to B part. Let's see, cos omega t plus cos 3 omega t. This is the third part, plus cos 5 omega t. These three identity separately they are showing simple harmonic motion, but as a combine, the composition of three simple harmonic motion will be only a periodic motion, not the simple harmonic motion, because they three of them cannot be combined in the formula of cos or sine omega t plus 5. We cannot express combined form in this form. So what will be the time period? So this is a periodic function. Periodic. This will only periodic, not simple harmonic motion, or showing simple harmonic function. So what will the time period of both of them separately? The time period for this one will be 2 pi by omega, because if we multiply with 2 pi by omega, omega will be cancelled, and here it will be 2 pi, so it is repeating in motion after an interval of 2 pi. Here it will be t2 will be 2 pi by 3 omega, because 3 omega will cancel with 3 omega, and here we will left with 2 pi, and with 2 pi our function repeat its motion, so time period will be 2 pi by 3 omega, and for this as well 2 pi by 5 omega. Similar condition as the question part number B. This is repeating its motion 2 pi by, after time period 2 pi by omega, it is 2 pi by 3 omega, and is it 2 pi by 5 omega. The oscillation of these are less, more, and it is after a time period having very short time period than this. So as a combined, what will be the time period of this whole function? So this whole function, when it will have 3 oscillations, it will have the same time period with as this function time period t1, and after 5 oscillations it will be on the same position as the time period t1. So as they combine, all of them have time period 2 pi by omega, because after time period 2 pi by omega, all of them will repeat its motion on same note. So now we are left with the numerical part E. E is E minus omega square t square. This function is monotonically decreasing, and it is not repeating its motion, so no periodic and no simple harmonic function. Okay, now with the last part F, but it is this one, 1 plus omega t plus omega square t square. It is increasing function, and it does not contain cos or sine function anywhere, so it is neither periodic function or neither it is showing, nor it is showing simple harmonic motion. So we are complete with this question. Thanks.